guys, shoutout sa lahat ng mga nandito, no. At actually marami nag-request nitong One of Us. So kaka-upload lang ito ng Franz Rhythm, no, sa kanilang YouTube channel. So wala na on time guys mag-record at sobrang busy ko, and then sabi ko nga i-try na i-react na natin ng live. Kasi pag live diretso na guys, wala nang record at kasi pag nag-record na minsan matagal. So anyway guys, maraming salamat sa Diyos at samahan nyo ako guys dito sa ating live video reactions. Hopefully maging okay itong aking setup, no. So nag-setup ako guys, no. Basta guys, kung bago ka sa aking channel guys and this verse nyo guys, samahan nyo ako nagmuwa dito sa banda ng bayan ang Franz Rhythm guys. At talaga namang grabe, no. For the past weeks na nireact ko talagang sobra guys. Ang bilis no, parang nakaano agad ako, ilang weeks lang pero ang dami ko nang upload. dahil sobrang galing guys. Kung ako tatanungin nyo guys, sobra guys, itong family na to is galing sa lugar ng Bohol dito sa Pilipinas. Talagang magi-enjoy ka guys, at napakasimple lang nila na pamilya, pero no guys, pagdating sa instrument, pagdating sa music, no, kahit drums, talagang hataw yan guys. Sobrang magi-enjoy ka. At actually na-excite na nga ako no, kung ano yung makikita natin dito sa One of Us cover songs nila na Franz Rhythm. At mukhang bago yung dito ni ni Char, no? Ni Chen, bago yung guitar. Mukhang amazing, no? At si Dudes, bago din yung drums. Mukhang astig to, no? Richard Tugna bro, na adik ka na sa Franz Rhythm, oo, no? Sobrang okay tong Franz Rhythm. Shoutout kay Richard Tugna at sa lahat ng mga nanonood sa buong mundo at lahat ng mga kapwa OFW natin guys. Shoutout sa inyo guys, talaga sobra naman, no? Talagang na-addict ako guys, no? Dati po, noon pa talaga nag-live video reactions ako. Pero ngayon kasi may time ako, tapos sabi ko, tagal i-record ko pa. So gusto kong ipakita sa inyo guys, no? I-react natin siya ng live, no? Para makita nyo guys na talagang totally ito, pag ako nag-react guys, hindi ko talaga pinapanood, talagang actual pinapanood ko on the spot. Shout kay Richard Tugna sa lahat ng mga Franz Rhythm na talaga ng mga at let's enjoy it guys, no. Alam niyo naman tong Franz Rhythm, talagang parang pagkain na talagang magugustuhan mo, no. Talagang sarap, no. Talagang masarap, malinamnam, at because of music of this Franz Rhythm, talagang mag-enjoy ka. Grabe guys. At ako, I'm very thankful din sa mga subscribers natin, no. Lalo yung mga fans ng Franz Rhythm, and then yung iba, no, nabubudol natin, talagang nanonood na rin sila ng Franz Rhythm guys, no. At talaga nakita nila itong video reactions natin, talagang dami natutuwa. At ganun pa man guys, maraming salamat sa Diyos. At yun lang guys, no, let's keep enjoy this video reactions. At hindi na ako makapagbasa ng mga comments, pero kung nandiyan kayo guys, pwede kayo mag-comment. So before tayo mag-start, no, babasa tayo ng mga comments, no. At wala naman nagpapa-shoutout, no. So anyway, maraming salamat sa Diyos. Kanina nag-upload ako ng video. Anyway guys, hindi ko na papatagalin. Ito na talaga, no. At simulan natin guys, at focus lang tayo dito sa ating video reactions. Ang pamagat nito, One of Us, Joan Osborne, cover Franz Rhythm, family band ng Pilipinas. At pray na natin guys. Umpisa pa lang. Grabe, umpisa pa lang. Ramdam ko na yung bagong gitara. Mukhang magpapakitang gilas dito si Chen. Grabe. Ulitin natin guys, ha.
Only here in Franz Rhythm Channel.
Grabe.
If you were faced with hitmen all
Lupit.
If God had a face, what would it look like? And would you want to see?
Alright.
If seeing meant that you would have to believe in things like heaven and in Jesus and the saints and all the prophets. And yeah, God is great. Yeah, God is good. Yeah. What if God was one of us? Just as love like one of us. Just a stranger, one of us, trying to make his way home.
Lupit. Grabe yung ano, gitara. Ooh.
What if God was one of us? Just as love like one of us. Just a stranger, one of us, trying to make his way home. Like the holy rolling stone. Nobody calling on a phone. Just trying to make his way home.
Ang ganda guys, grabe yung instrument. Lutang yung bass. Sarap.
Nobody calling on a phone. Get for the boat, maybe.
Alright. Ito na naman yung bass oh.
Thank you so much for watching.
Grabe.
Only here in France Rhythm Channel.
Alright.
Maraming salamat po guys. Thank you for watching.
Grabe guys, no? Dito na may headbang ano natin, no? Pero actually guys, napansin ko rito, na una-una nakapa si Chen, no? Nakapa siya dito, di ba? Napaka-simple. Pero guys, hindi simple yung ginawa ni Chen, ni Char dito. No, si Char nakapaa, hindi simple, nakapaa siya. Pero hindi simple ginawa niya guys. Ang galing ng pasok ng ano niya guys, ng boss. Meron siyang parang kanina parang nilaro niya yung boses niya. Hanapin ko lang guys, alam ko bandang 2 minutes. Pero ulitin natin guys hanapin ko lang ulit.
To call into a face.
Sarap po. Ito guys, makikita nyo yung control ng boses niya. At ang sarap dito, ulitin natin ha. Sarap na ito.
God had a name. What would it be? And would you call into a face?
Sarap.
If you were faced with him in all his glory, what would you ask if you had just one question?
Ganda.
God is great. Yeah, God is good. Yeah.
Ganda.
Yeah, what if God
Yun.
was one of us?
Yung nakita nyo yan guys, yung pasok ni Chen doon. Ganda ng ano yun, yung style niya, ang ganda. Parang may gigil na konti, pero ang ganda ng pagkaagigil. Ulitin natin guys sa 180 nata, no? Pero simulan natin sa 1 minute and 10 seconds. Tingnan nyo guys yung gigil doon ni Chen. Ni Char. Ang ganda guys. Ulitin natin ha. In 3, 2, 1.
Yeah. What if God was one of us?
So what? Alright!
Just as love like one
Ganda.
of us. Just a stranger, one of us, trying to make his way home.
Grabe naman yung ang sexy nung pagkakasalita doon ni pagkakanta ni Char. Grabe. Ulitin natin guys, pakinggan nyo maigi. Ang ganda.
Just as love like one of us.
Ayan na.
Just a stranger,
Ito na.
one of us,
Ito na.
trying to make his way home.
Alright. Sarap.
If God had a face,
Grabe.
what
Tapos yung drums dito ni ano, dudes. Dudes, ang lupet mo, sarap. Tignan nyo guys yung baksak tsaka yung timing ulit ni dudes. Ang galing. Ulitin natin ha. Yung pasok niya rito ha. Ulitin natin. Pasok. Ay, hindi pa. Pasok. Sarap. Nakita niyo yung pasok ni ano doon, yung baksak ni Dudes, yun yung maano guys, pang pro, pang professional. Ang ganda ng pasok, ulitin natin ha, in 3, 2, 1. Grabe yung hampas ni Dudes doon, ang bilis. Isa pa guys ha, ang bilis eh. Pero ang ganda ng timing guys. Ito na naman yung timing, ang ganda. Ulitin natin ha. Bilis! Nakita yung ganun din ni Daddy Franz dito, gumanon din siya. Sarap eh. Kahit ako napapaganon ako, yung baksak talaga, yung sarap eh. Ulitin natin guys yung drums ni ano ni Dudes. Lupit! You know? Sarap! Tapos ito guys, yung lead guitar, no? Si Chen, ang ganda rin, no? So, pakinggan natin yung drums, then pakinggan nyo din maigi yung lead guitar ni, ano, ni Chen. Ang ganda. And then, pasabay, ganun, sabay ganun din si Daddy Franz, eh. Ulitin natin guys, ha?
What would it look like? What would you wanna see? If seeing meant that you would have to believe
Pasok!
in things like heaven
Ay, di pa.
and in Jesus and the saints and all the
Ito na.
prophets. And yeah, yeah, God is great. Yeah, yeah, God is good. Yeah, yeah.
Sarap ng bass guys. Narinig, ang ganda ng bass. Pag ano, pakinggan nyo maigi. Pikit nyo mata nyo, then focus ka sa bass. Ang sarap. Ulitin natin ha.
God is great. Yeah, yeah. God is good. Yeah, 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 yeah. What if God was one of us? Just as love like one of us. Just a stranger on a bus, trying to make his way home.
Ooh, what? Ito na naman. Nagpakitang gilas dito si Chen, guys. Bago lang yung gitara pero nagpakitang gilas at ang sarap, ang ganda ng tunog ng bagong gitara. Lupit ha, ulitin natin guys ha. Sarap oh. Yung adlib,
Trying to make his way home.
pasok Chen.
What if God was one of us? Just as love like one of us.
Sarap guys, grabe. Adlib tapos sabay pasok ng drums ni ano, ni Dudes, ang lupit. Then sabay blending na naman, no, yung second voice ng dalawa si Daddy Franz saka ni Chen. Grabe, sarap. Ulitin natin guys ha. Yan no. Yung tunog ng gitara niya, sarap oh. Then papasok yung kay Dudes ha. Then blending, try natin guys.
What if God was one of us? Just as love like one of us. Just a stranger on a bus, trying to make his way home. Like the holy rolling stone. Nobody calling on a phone.
Sarap guys. No? Pasensya na guys na po-post natin. No? Talagang iniinti-unti lang natin guys yung sa pag-react. Pero dito guys, galing ni Daddy France. Yung humming niya, sarap. Ulit natin guys ha. Then sumasagot siya kay timing din. No? Sakto yung pag kumakanta si Char. Yung pasok ng humming ni Daddy France. Ang sarap guys. No? Ulitin natin ha.
Trying to make
Yeah, no?
you stay home, like a holy rolling stone. Nobody calling on a phone, just trying to make its way home.
Sarap guys. Grabe. Lupet.
Nobody calling on a phone. Get for the boat, maybe.
Lupet dudes.
Thank you so much for watching.
Lep, sarap ng ganun ni dudes. Ito na naman yung drum siya. Ulitin natin guys ha. Pasensya na po ha. Ulitin natin ha. Ibaksak ng drums niya.
Nobody calling on a phone. Get for the boat, maybe.
Sarap! France Rhythm in the house.
Only here from
Alright.
Rhythm Channel.
Grabe, sarap ng baksak ulit. Isa pa guys, isa pa. Last na lang. Sarap!
Get for the boat, maybe. Thank you so much for watching.
Sarap guys,
Only
grabe.
here from Rhythm Channel.
Alright.
Maraming salamat po guys. Thank you for watching.
Grabe ah. May huli pa pala nun ah. Grabe guys, talaga naman. At syempre ito pala guys, last one na lang talaga. Yung pinakaunan, di ko napansin, meron pala siyang may hinihipan si Chen dito. Ang galing dito. Pakinggan ko lang guys ha. Pasensya na po.
Only here.
So dito pala solo siya muna, no? Nagsolo si Chen. Tapos habang nagsolo siya, meron siyang sa bibig, no?
Runs Rhythm Channel.
Galing, oh. Ganda ng pasok. Grabe, no? Pasok si Chen, then pasok si Daddy France, oh. Ang ganda ng bass. Pasok. Sarap. Ayun ako guys, maraming salamat sa Diyos at sige, try natin magbasa ng mga comments. No? Ano bang masabi nyo dito guys sa performance ng France Rhythm, no? Basahin nga natin. Shoutout ko lang si Joel Rodila, sabi niya, Hussein nila dito, sabi niya, Arnold Hipolito, matagal na yung adik sa France Rhythm, Boss Mars, pero walang toka. Shout kay Giancarlo, no, sabi niya, ang galing Kuya Mars kasi ang linaw ng pagkakanta niya. Bernard Malonzo, lupit mo dudes, level up ka na, 2 years pa, mamaw ka na talaga. Totoo yun guys, no? Naniniwala ba kayo sinabi ni ni Boss Bernard, after 2 years magiging mamaw na si si Duz, no? Pakinggan natin guys. Ito ang pinakamasarap yung pasok niya. Hindi ko na alam kung nasaan yun. Ito ata yun. Yan, no? Bilis, oh.
God is great.
Ganda na pasok. O nga, ilang years pa to, mamaw na to, no? Yan, no?
All the prophets and
Sarap. No, shoutout ulit kay Remo Batokel, nakakadik talaga tugtugan nila Lods. Ramil Mayomita, sobrang ganda ng timpla ng instrument nila, sir. Si Duz, napaka-pro na kung mag-drums. Totoo no? Ulitin natin guys ha, tingnan mo yung sagot niya dito oh. Ganda na sagot niya rito Yan oh. Bilis oh. Pagkalipat sa kabila, ang bilis ng pasok guys, yung timing.
God is great. Yeah.
Sarap oh. Ito na naman yung may sariling mundo si Tatay France oh. Tignan nyo oh.
Saint and all the prophets.
Sariling mundo oh.
Yeah.
Sarap na sarap
God
Yan, no?
is great. Yeah. Yeah.
Mga ganun no? Grabe no, Kim Reyes, shoutout Ma'am Kim. Ramel Mayormita, nakakabuhay ng katawan lupa pag sila ang tumutugtog idol. Actually, stress reliever ko sila, sir. Mas effective ang France Rhythm bilang gamot ng pagod ko, sir, kaysa Bijex. Iniinom ko. Huwag na imin na masyado ng gamot, no? Alal ko, Teros, boss, andyan ako mga sa kanila. Lahat ng mga gamit nilang instrument, madidinig mo sarap sa tenga. Totoo. No, actually yung paano pagtimpla, paano areglo, paano yung arrangement, yung areglo or arrangement. Napakaganda guys. Sobrang timing nila. No? Shout kay Milang Solis. Raymond ba, pick ng guitar loads yung nasa bibig niya. Okay, pick nga pala ng guitar. Akala ko may something na parang hinihipan. Ulitin nga natin yun.
Franz Reffen Channel.
Oo nga, pick nga ng guitar. Nakakala ko may hinihipan siya, no? Oh. Tapos mamaya konti makikita mo si Chen dito nakapikit na.
If you were faced with it
Yan, no?
all,
Pinifeel yung gitara eh, no? Tawag doon? Tinitip pa eh. Oh, sarap oh.
were faced with it all,
Nakapikit siya rito oh.
what would you
Diba?
ask if you had just one question?
Sarap ng gitara oh.
Yeah.
No, shoutout kay Ma'am Miriam Solis, kay Kim Reyes, no? Shoutout Rolando sa Lods. Shoutout boss, no? Shoutout boss, galing talaga. Press Purge, Heart of Gold ni Charles Lods. Pakireact, ganda din pagka-cover ng Franz Rhythm. Sige po, next ano po natin guys ha. I-react natin yan, no? Ano ba gagawin natin? Pwede ko na i-react din yan, no? Para isang ano lang, i-separate ko. Gusto nyo ba i-react natin yung Heart of Gold? Isa pang ano natin guys, para isang video na lang tayo, no? Pwede ko i-react yan guys, Heart of Gold. Shoutout boss, thumbs up naman dyan, no? Sige, try natin guys, hanapin yung tatry ko hanapin guys yung ano naman, yung Heart of Gold. Try natin i-react siguro, no? Last one na lang yon. Try natin pakinggan guys. At for the last, isang kanta pa, Heart of Gold. Pero ano ko lang guys, mag-ano lang ako guys, magko-commercial lang muna ako and then punta tayo dun sa Heart of Gold. Teka lang guys in 3 minutes.